silent bends. Midnight roads with no start or end. Taillights blur on the ridgeline turn. Each breath deep like the tires burn. Cities glow when the distance fades. I trace my path through the shadow shades. Slide. This is more than a car, it's where I hide. No one calls and I don't speak, just the wheel, the wind, and a need to seek. Soft rebellion in every gear. I leave behind what I held near. Starline drift alone but free. The night and night, that's all I need.
a secret, heartbeats in time.
moon's distant glow, chasing infinity, the only truth I know.